Hi, welcome back friend. Here in this exercise you're learning how to draw a simple fish with Illustrator using Shape Builder tool. So here we're drawing an ellipse shape. Draw a simple circle with a long horizontal axis and a small and vertical size. So just we need to copy one circle so to have the same measurement and just place it a little bit lower than the original circle. So here just select these both shapes and go to Shape Builder tool and remove the part that we don't want. So here we just want the center intersection of these two circles, and we press the Alt key and the left mouse click and hover around to remove that part. Here you can choose any color to fill the fish body. The gold color or orange color would be vibrant. So just select that color, and you can always change the tone of your color of your fill and stroke as well, and you can provide any hexadecimal value or any value you want. So then next we just need to copy the same shape and draw the tails of the fish in the similar way. You can do in a different way as well. This is a shortcut way. So just change the direction of that fin and duplicate it and just change the angle, or you can also go to transform and reflect vertically. So here we got these two part of the tail, and you can group them together or use the shape builder tool to combine them. So here just select these shape all the shapes and go to the shape builder tool and just hover around the shapes you want to combine. So here it is one shape, the fish. Go to selection tool and then we can draw the fins of this fish. So just draw the similar circle here, and we need to draw two rectangles to remove the part. Just draw one rectangle right below this circle. It is not required to overlap every shape, and you can draw one more rectangle here. We just want the left corner of the circle, top left corner, and just remove it little bit higher direction. You can also remove any segment by selecting them without grouping. Even this function works. So here just select these shapes and go to shape builder tool and just alt and left click to hover around the shapes you don't want. So here we don't want all the rectangle or the remaining circle part. So this is our fin, but we need to improvise it a bit more. So just draw one more circle here, overlapping the part we don't want, and then select these both shapes and go to shape builder tool to remove this circle and that part. When you are done, you can reposition that shape over the place you want. So here we want the fin to be placed on the top side of the fish as well as bottom side. So just right click, transform and reflect. You can reflect either vertically or horizontally. Here we want a horizontal reflection. So just select the horizontal reflection, and here we are done with this fins. Just place them in the proper position and select all the shapes once you're done, and just join them using the shape builder tool. So the shape builder tool is Swiss Army knife. You can do a lot of things with just drawing some circles and rectangle and the shape. You can change the direction of entire fish. So here we have reflected this fish, and you can rotate it a bit higher direction. So here this fish is looking towards the top right corner of the artboard, and you can draw more shapes here, the eyes of the fish and the mouth. You can add more components to your fish to make it more appealing. So here we want to draws a rectangle, and we will turn the opacity to 10% to draw a flat illustration here. So here just reposition the rectangle in the way it will cover half of the fish, and just change the color to black because we want the lower section of the fish to be darkened. So just change the opacity to 10% or around that size and reposition the shape accordingly. So it must divide the fish into two equal halves, the symmetric. And when you are done, just select everything, the fish and the shape, and use the shape builder, alt and left click. Just remove the lower part of the fish. So here we have this simple fish. Then just draw a simple circle for the eyes. You can take any color you want. The black color looks good here with the white background. So now we want to create mouth for the fish, and the mouth must be open. So in that case, the fish can eat something and look cool. So you can create mouth with any shape, a circle, rectangle, or any other shape, but I think triangle would be better. So just go to polygon, single click on the screen, and then provide 3 number for the side of the shape. So when you provide the 3 number, it will understand that it has to draw a triangle. Otherwise, it will draw the polygon, 6 side, 5 side, any side you provide. So you'll just place it accordingly to the location you want, and then select everything and just remove using shape builder in the similar way. Once you have completed your drawing, just select your shape and right click group. So this way your shape will be combined together